Dear participants, I welcome you to the artificial intelligence competition. The project that we are putting on the table is from Royan Institute and Puyesh Fertility Infertility Center, and we hope that you can predict DNA damage using simple sperm parameters, including concentration, motility, and morphology, aligned with male age in the prediction of DFI in a procedure of artificial insemination. For an introduction, we analyze semen according to WHO criteria and according to the WHO book. And what we know that nearly 30% of male infertility is related to male and 25% to both male and female. So around 50% of infertility is related to the male. The first step that we do is we analyze semen parameters, and in an analysis of semen, we want to know how concentration, motility, and morphology, three main important parameters, differ from norm and how they have become abnormal. In addition, we know that by increasing age is affecting our hormonal production, it affects our semen parameters, it affects DNA integrity, and also the passage of time has also affected, possibly due to environment, type of food, and things we take. What we know, 50% of the genome of a baby or a future progeny comes from the sperm DNA. So if we have fragmentation in DNA, maybe we are jeopardizing the growth of the embryo, the pregnancy rate, and future, and possibly we are jeopardizing that embryo to abortion and things like that. So the scientists like me and my group have set up tests in their lab, and the two most infamous tests are tunnel assay for DNA fragmentation and sperm chromatin structural assay. These tests are costly. We have data around 6,000 to 7,000 sperm samples, which we have the data for tunnel assay, SCS assay, and HDS assay. And we also have the data on male age, sperm count, sperm motility, sperm progressive motility, abnormal morphology, volume, concentration, sperm normal, sperm progressive motility, and immotile. The way we do some of the calculation, I have provided description in the section below, and you can have a look at them. The normal value for a semen are provided by WHO 2021. These include volume to be more than 1.5, sperm concentration of higher than 15 million, total sperm per ejaculate should be higher than 39 million. Normal morphology should be 4 or above, or abnormal should be 96 or below. Sperm viability should be 58%, progressive motility 32, and total motility should be greater than 40. So what we want you participant to do, can we, based on these parameters, can we predict these parameters? If we could, based on these simple parameters, predict these parameters, we could reduce the cost of the patients, and we could reduce the amount of money that they have to pay, and we could facilitate treatment, and this could be a good predictor. I wish you all a happy participation and best for your future. Thank you for participating.